Dave, what are we doing today?
Going to a World War II museum
And why are we going to a World War II museum?
because I'm addicted to anything World War II. Planes especially, tanks. This has planes.
Planes and tanks. He is addicted. So guess who he drug along? Me. So we're going to go see what's in here. What is it again? What's the name of it?
The National Museum, World War II Aviation.
Okay, and we are in Colorado Springs, Colorado. So there you go. So this is the paper you get when you first come in. There's a timeline where if you follow it all the way through, you get from World War I all the way through World War II. And then there is a tour of the planes that they're restoring and all the such things currently. So kind of a handy little thing they provide you with.
What I always find interesting is how the machine guns fire right through the props, and they were timed in mechanically to the machine, so they would fire, so they would not hit the props as you were firing at the enemy or whatever you're firing at. I just thought it was always interesting that they had it timed in.
No kidding, otherwise you'd shoot your prop off.
Yeah. Definitely not made for me.
What? Say that again?
Definitely not made for me. I would not fit in there.
You're not fitting there?
No.
Little itty bitty tiny space.
This is a plane that George W. Bush flew and got shot down over China.
George W. Bush?
Yeah, George H.W. Bush was shot down in the plane similar to this.
So this fuselage right here, they dug out of the ground, and it will eventually be restored, and it will look exactly like this one right here. It'll take them 5 to 6 years, but they will turn it back into that. That is amazing.